Good morning. We are going to solve brainstorming activity of 2.1, that is uh, the song of open road. Okay. So see first question, brainstorming A1 1, pick out the lines showing that the poet is prepared to enjoy every moment of his journey. Okay. So from this poem, uh, the line which describe every moment of his journey that poet is prepared for, we can write this line: afoot and light-hearted I take to the open road. This line you can write in this for this answer. And also this after that, this healthy free the world before me. And again you can write strong and content I travel the open road. Okay. So this line are showing the preparation of poet to enjoy every moment of his life. Or another line, this also: the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. This line also suggests the enjoy every moment of his journey. So now question number second, see, by old delicious burdens the poet means. Okay. So here, which is correct statement? Okay, which is correct meaning? The luggage, it is not correct. The food he carries, no. The stress he bears during the travels, no. Sweet memories of past, this is correct meaning of the world delicious burdens. Next question is: the poet is a person who is free from all inhibitions. Draw, so discuss how the concept of freedom is expressed in the poem. So here you can write the most important center theme of the poem is freedom. Okay, the poet uh, exalt the careless pleasure or carefree pleasures of traveling. He encourages others to break free from their domestic attachment and join him. He described himself as being free, and he realizes that only person who is completely control of his life, that is he himself. He chooses his own destiny. He consider himself that he is creator of his life. Because of this realization, what happened? He does not have to wish or hope or pray from for good for him. Okay, good fortune. So he doesn't wish any wishes from others for this, and the journey is free, for he is done with the routines, customs, and safe behavior of his previous life. So this kind of answer you can write. Activity 2, first sentence, sorry, first question, see, activity 2. Here the following are the activities the poet wait The following are the activities of the poet related to his journey on the road. Divide them into two parts: activities the poet will practice and activities he will not practice. So these activities are given that you have to divide into two part. Now see, first we'll see walking along the road, though he does not know where it reaches. This activity he will not practice. Complaining about the discomforts during the journey. This activity also he will not practice. Postponing the journey. This also will not practice. Praying for good fortune. This also activity he will not practice. Then next one, carrying the fond memories of the good people. This activity, yes, he will practice. Then creating contact with famous and influential people. This also activity he will practice. Trying to achieve high and bright success and reflecting and developing his own self. These two also he will practice. Now, question next. Write down the traits poet exhibits through following line. Here, henceforth I ask for no good fortune. I myself am good fortune. Here, poet's traits is that self-confidence already answer is given. So next B number, henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need no more. Here it indicate confidence of the poet. Here you can write confidence or encouragement. Next, I do not want the constellations any nearer. So here it suggests fearlessness. Okay, fearlessness or self respect or self trust. You can write self respect or self trust also or satisfaction also. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. Here it suggests optimism. Okay, means positive attitude, optimism or acceptance also. I am filled with them, I will fill them in return. So here it indicate willpower of the poet. Willpower. Okay, or optimism also. Now let us see next question. Healthy, free, the world before me. Express your views. Express your views regarding the above line. Healthy, free, the world before me. Now the world is how healthy and free. Here poet is on his journey. He started his journey of his life, and he says that there is no tension before him. Okay, in front of him for making his journey. So he recognized that he is who is in control of his journey. He can control his journey because the world before him is free. Here, freedom is it indicate democracy, freedom, healthy, liberty. Okay, he can select or choose any way wherever he want to go. It means he can select any path of his life to make his own development. This explanation you can write here. Activity 3C, The poet has used many describing words such as healthy in this poem. So make list of and classify them. Now for world, which word poet has used in this poem? Now for world he has used free, free world, and healthy word, healthy also. Then he said sufficient also, sufficient. For himself, he used uh, light-hearted in the first two line. It is there, light-hearted. Then good fortune. He considered himself. He is lucky. Means good fortune. He also this whimper. He said himself not. He is not whimper. He also said strong. Strong word he used to himself. Then content also. This word poet has been poet has used for himself. For the road, he said road is long. Okay, free, long, brown, or path means road, or road is free. These words are has been used for these three categories we have divided for the world. Now next question A4 is the read the expression old delicious burden. Now burden cannot be delicious, you know. Burden means burden, stress. How can it be delicious? Delicious means here sweet. Okay, good. The poet has used this combination of word to express that he has many sweet memories of the people. Delicious means here sweet memory of the people and places which he would like to remember forever. The poet has used seemingly contradictory expression to convey the meaning that his heart is full of sweet memories of good and people. This contradictory means opposite expression. Okay, he said burden to them, and burden are how delicious. So though he wants to be free from any type of attachment, he wants to cherish these sweet memories in his heart forever. The question is that the expression contains opposite ideas that make it seem absurd or unlikely. Although it may be true, such kind of statements are true. So this is called paradox. Okay. For example, punishment, harsh punishment. If you say those punishment were good punishment or delicious punishment, है ना? So this opposite expression, but if they are true, that are called paradox poetic device. Next is that the road in the poem does not mean only the road to travel. Then a poet use this word road symbolic meaning. Okay, like a metaphor. So the poet wants to suggest the road of life. Explain the metaphor with the help of the poem. Now here road symbolizes freedom, opportunities. Okay, poet suggest the road of life means the freedom and opportunity. There are so many opportunities in our life. We have to take those opportunities and build our life. Another way, the roads in front of you. In this poem, he describes that road, uh, those people, attached to the indoors. He asked them to come out and join the road. So road is not a particular person. Okay, it can be used by rich and poor people. So social message also given by the road. Okay, road is useful for all mobility. Then road take us to our destiny. Okay, so it signifies that mobility. Okay, this symbolic metaphor you can write. Third, free verse. Free verse is poetry that does not rhyme or have a regular rhythm. What are the features of free verse are given here? It is literary device that is free from limitations of regular meter or rhythm. It does not rhyme with fixed forms, and still it provides an artistic expression. So, in this way, the poet can give his own shape to a poem as he desires and can use various poetic devices to create the effect he considers suitable for the piece. As free verse gives greater freedom for choosing words and conveying their meanings to readers. It is free from artificiality of typical poetic expression. This technique is commonly used in modern poetry. It means, in short, free verse means there are no rhyme words in the poem. Okay, there are no meter rhythm in the poem. Okay, now these two examples are given. Although free verse requires no meter, rhythm, or traditional poetic technique, but it is the use of internal pattern of sound, the choice of exact words, their chosen places are the factor which attribute the free verse its really lyrical or rhythmic beauty. Free verse is completely different from blank verse. Now, in blank verse, which essentially has to occur in iambic pentameter, it means there is a 5 meter are there in the center poem. Sorry. So, if blank verse is the poem where rhyming words are not there, but meter are there for singing effect. But in free verse, that meter also are not used. Blank verse is poetry written with regular metrical but unrhymed lines. It is described as the most common form of English poetry which has been influenced since 16th century. Okay. For there are certain words that are repeated in the poem. For example, no more. Okay, in line number 7. And question is that find out similar expression, explain the effect they have created in the poem. Now, good fortune is used in the poem 2 3 times. Okay, I carry them. This also used 2 3 times. These two words. Hmm. No more like this. Good fortune also used. Five. Uh, the use of personal pronoun is evident and prominent in this poem. Give reason. Now, I miss who? I miss poet himself. Okay, so poet has uh, written this poem by using his own personal pronoun. While reader will read the poem, they will attach to the poem. Okay, and it makes the universal appeal. They consider themselves like a poet, and that poem they will imbibe themselves. That's why universal appeal will be taken by this poem. Question this five is that with the help of following point write poetic appreciation. Now, song of the poem about the poet, poem title you have to write, theme of the poem, poetic style, free verse. Okay, or language in this right language poetry device in the poem, figure of speech which are used in the poem, language which is there satirical, ironical, easy understand, difficult. What is language? That language outright. Poetic devices which figures of speech has been used in the poem. Special feature of the poem. It means which type of poem in this. It is free verse poem that you can write in the feature. Any another message also which is given by that you are write in a special feature. Message values moral in the poem. Which moral is that you are right. And last your opinion of the poem that you will write. And this another question are there, that is for your writing skill. Man is free by birth, you can create your blog on this topic. Then expansion of ideas are given, all roads lead to the Rome. Man without liberty is body without soul. This writing skill you have to prepare. Thank you.